Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is a follow-up to the live video that I just filmed. I wanted to make sure that you were aware of the donated memberships. We're going to be giving away 10 memberships on our channel, 10 memberships for 1 month. So 10 1-month memberships will be given away for the month of February. This is for February only. This is not through the YouTube platform. This is just coming directly from me. So if you are a winner, you're going to have to send me an email so that I can send you a meeting link. You will not get it through YouTube because you are not an official YouTube member. This is 10 memberships that are being donated. And so I need you to send Shakema a direct link, a direct email so that I can send you a direct link. With this membership for the month of February only, you will, the month of February 2022, let me spell it out right, you will receive several things. Thing number one, you're going to receive the budget sheet that we use. Thing number two, you're going to be invited to the self-care beauty session that will begin on February the 13th. It's going to be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is a Sunday. You will then be invited to the mid-month budget review. We're hosting a mid-month budget review that's going to be hosted in the middle of February as well. And then you will be invited to the Build a Budget for March. We'll hold that the very last of the month. So that's 3 budget meetings, 3 meetings. You'll be able, 3 closed meets, 1 beauty, 1 budget, and then 1 build a budget, budget review and build a budget. And then you will be able to schedule a 30-minute private session, budget session with me. Private in the fact that none of the other members will be in on your session, right? Because you may want to discuss your numbers and that you have a right to your privacy. So that'll be a 30-minute scheduled session with me that we will sit down and you can either share your sheet with me or just kind of talk through a couple of transactions or different things, and I will give you my opinion, what I think, what has helped me in the past. Again, I'm not a budget guru. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. I'm a single mom who over the last 12 years have managed to climb my way out of debt into debt freedom using several strategies that I found here on YouTube. So I'm not an expert of any kind. I'm just a single mom doing the doggone thing, okay? Hard work, perseverance, a lot of prayer, some sacrifice, God blessing the whole time. So all of that. Now, in order to enter this giveaway, I need you to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I need you to make sure that you leave us one comment only that says enter me, and that you understand that this is for February only. So please, please, please enter me, and that you understand this is for February 2022 only. And after the February meet, unless you join the membership through YouTube, then you will fall out of this group. But maybe 1 month is all you need to get yourself on a good track. Maybe just 1 meeting, 1 budget session is all you need to kind of talk through some stuff. You already got some stuff brewing in your head and you know what you want to do, but you just need somebody to talk it out with. So that's what I'm saying is going to happen for you. So again, be subscribed to the channel. Leave us a comment down below. This is a very quick turnaround. This entry will close 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January the 31st. So it's closing tomorrow. You have 23 hours, 22 hours and 43 minutes exactly to enter for this giveaway. And again, I'm giving away 10 1-month standalone memberships. So anywho, there it is, you guys. I hope you win. Prayers that you would want to join us and be a part of what we got going on over here. We are so blessed to have you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.